Hey guys, this is Snowy here with a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Replaced the battery, car won't start, lights start flickering, off and on, off and on. Turn on the car, try to start it, it won't start. Put the car in neutral, car still won't start. So what you guys want to take a look at is, see that fuse with the red and the blue? That's the main fuse that goes to that fuse box panel. Pull that out. Make sure that is okay and everything like that. And then you look down here. There is a reset button that is right there. That's the reset button. All right. If you guys look at that, see that button? That's the reset button to keep the car from flickering and all that crazy stuff. Check that out. Press that. That should stop the flickering of the lights and the horn going off all crazy. That should stop that. But the main thing is that fuse right there. You want to take that out. Make sure that the 10 and the 15 is okay, and that should allow this fuse panel to reset itself. And then if that still doesn't work, what you want to do is come here and check on this fuse right here. So that's the fuel pump fuse. So you relay, you want to take that out, or get somebody to try to start the car and you see if that clicks. And if you don't want to hear the horn no more, take that relay out so that you don't hear the horn going all crazy. But see if that fixes it if you replace the relay. Those are the main two things that kept this car from starting, was a bad relay and I had a bad terminal here that I had to adjust to make sure it was touching correctly. After I replaced the battery, now the car starts up just fine. No issue. So see that? Now everything's working like it's normally supposed to work. So hopefully this helped you guys fix this stupid ass problem with these cars doing that. And thank you guys for watching. If you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.